Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is about the design codes or the standard codes for civil engineers. So is I have written here important IS codes, okay, important Indian standard codes, okay. Being a civil engineer, you will have to have some codes in your mind. You will be needing it in your design work or in your site construction on routine basis. When you're inspecting a structural member or concrete or whatever material, you must learn some codes and you must keep some codes in your mind, okay. So the code number one that is very much important is IS 383, which is actually about the material of aggregates, the fine and coarse. Agree? Okay, so about the fine aggregates and coarse aggregates, you will have to study Indian Standard Code 383, and if you are comparing your values, you will have to go through this code. Okay, this is the code number first. The code number second, this is the most important. The code number second, IS 456. Okay, IS 456 is used for plan and reinforced concrete. Okay, so if you are speaking about the properties of plan and plan and reinforced cement concrete, you will have to go through the code number IS 456 for the properties, for the studying properties of plan and reinforced concrete. Okay, the code number third is IS 516, and this is important for site engineers because this is related to the testing process of concrete. Okay, so if you are working as a lab engineer or site engineer, you will have to go through IS 516 for understanding the basic test methodologies and the basic tests that you are going to perform for studying the properties of concrete. Okay, this is IS 516. Now the code number 4 that is important is IS 10262. okay, this is important for lab engineers because this is related to designing designing up mix for concrete. If you are working as a material engineer or lab engineer, you will have to prepare mixed design for specific design types. Its values must be as per IS 10262. This will show you the basic rules for mixed design process of concrete. Okay, 5 is IS 8041. This is about the cement types. Okay, cement, the rapid hardening, okay, and Portland cement. Okay, this code is for the cement, rapid hardening and Portland cement. Okay, so these 5 types were about the concrete or its ingredients. Like the first one is about the fine and coarse aggregates, the second one is about plan and RC, the third one is about testing process, the fourth one is about the mixing process, and the fifth one is about the cement, which is the basic ingredient of concrete. Now we will be talking about other codes where IS 1077 is the first one, and this is about the bricks required for construction. If you are constructing any building that is going to be made of bricks, you will have to go through this code to study the properties of your required bricks. Okay, the code number 7 is about IS 3495. Okay, yeah, please write these numbers with you and study it a little bit. Okay, this is about this testing of bricks. Okay, we conduct different types of tests for the inspection of quality of bricks, like water absorption capacity, the strength test, and the ingredient test, the chemical test. You will have to go through IS 3495 to study the different types of testing methods for bricks work. Okay, the code number 8 is about IS 432 and it's about mild steel. I think I don't need to explain mild steel. This is the most widely used construction material in RCC structure. So if you want to study the different properties of mild steel, you will have to go through IS 432. Okay, and the code number 9 is IS 712, and IS 7 number 2 is about building limes. Okay, limes. Okay, so limes are used for what? You don't know that. So if you want to study about the properties of limes, you will have to go through IS 712. And the code number 10, which is the last one and an important one, is IS 1498, and this is about classification of soils. How to classify soils per sub base, per sub grade, and all the required things. You will have to go through IS 1498. Okay, so this code will explain you the different properties of different types of soils. Okay, so these were some of the important IS codes that you do need to have in your minds whenever you are doing design work or construction work or inspection work. You will have to have these things in your mind, or at least in your hands as PDF, so that you may have no problem during design purpose or construction purpose or inspection purpose. So this was today's topic was about the Indian standard codes. Hope you would have learned something. Please don't forget your experience in comments required the Indian standard codes, or if I am wrong in anything. Thank you very much. See you. Allah Hafiz.